I love that you mentioned Klarna, because is one of the topic of, social commerce. Buy now, pay later services are getting a lot of traction, especially during these holidays. And I've tried it myself for the first time some months ago. And I find it really useful, not only because you can purchase an item in three, let's say, purchases, because your total is divided in 3 transactions. But also because if I receive the package and I don't like it, I can send it back and I didn't waste the whole money, so I don't have to wait for them to get back at me. And it's very Gen Z friendly, useful, I think, for our generation.
Yeah, I think especially during the pandemic, when we were not allowed to go to stores, so you cannot try on, you cannot try like 3 different sizes, for example. And usually I would be like a bit like maybe more resistant. I'll be like, oh, okay, I'm not going to order like 3 sizes of 3 items because I don't want to like freeze the money for like so much. But then if you are able to do it with Klarna, and then actually by the time I have to pay, I can already like return the product. So I only have to pay for what I actually am keeping. So yeah, I mean, I love Klarna.